So it seems like it's going to be overcast. It's definitely windy. Wow, what a change in the atmosphere and the temperature and wow, so abrupt. But today's something to do inside. It's a nice reading day, but it's a work day, obviously. You always have to work, whether it's for the money or for yourself. I have storage work to do, get ready to go south. Winnie's not ready, but she'll take us as far as she will. As long as she gets us to Pedro, south of the border. Also, we're concerned about safety, just like we were last year when we headed up to Canada. That was the routine plan until you know what. My God. Still going because of one person. One devious, devilish, diabolical person. It's okay. Because I survived, right? I still keep going, me and Winnie. God only knows what they're going through. Only God knows. All right, so we'll be inside storage today. We'll see you around, right? Good show. It works. It's about you. It has to. Be around, man.